Richie. This shit hot. Welcome back. How y'all doing? Let me get straight to the point today. Expect the unexpected, especially if you're engaging in dangerous behaviors. So with that note, I'm speaking on today is life insurance. And I'm targeting the inner cities and the ghettos across America. The youngsters. Not even the youngsters. There's some of them that's never going to give street life up. So my point is, you need to get some life insurance. You know, to the youngsters who choose the streets and think that it's going to make your life easier and not really thinking about the consequences that come with that, with choosing the street life. You know, think you're going to go out here, make a lot of money, you know. Then once you start carrying guns, sooner or later you're going to use that gun or someone's going to use one on you. That's just how it goes. Take them from me. Been there, done that. Glad to be sitting here in front of you guys today telling you this. Then you're in the streets. Next thing you know, somebody gets shot. Somebody gets murdered. And no one has any money to pay for your funeral costs because they didn't have life insurance. Something that we got to do better as in the black communities. Not just the black communities, all the communities. The ones who choose the street life, the high risk individuals. You know who you are. If not, your family members know who you are. So I feel like they should be responsible too. They know your actions. They know what you're doing. So it's like paying a cell phone bill. Buying some narcotics. You know, you spend all that money buying things that you really don't need. But if you're addicted, I guess you are. I guess you do need it. It's all a choice. But the key point for me today is we need get some life insurance, so we don't have to set up GoFundMe pages. You know, going around asking Peter and Paul for donations. You know. I got a guy who's going to come on and leave a message. He's an insurance broker. I'm pretty sure that he could lead you into the right policy. He actually got me a policy. So I can't help to do that but return the favor. You know, I feel a little better. I got life insurance now. I don't have to be, no one has to come out of pocket for me. And you should feel the same way. Yes, a touchy subject, something that no one wants to talk about. Everybody thinks they're going to live forever, which they're not. You know, we must come to the realization that, hey, you must have a life insurance policy. My two brothers that I lost in the past, they didn't have a life policy. They didn't have a life insurance policy. So my parents and family members had to duck out the money. And I know that had to have been rough and tough. I even have a life insurance policy put on me when I was a risky individual in the streets. Didn't even know it. So I want to thank the person that actually had one on me. By the grace of God, I'm still here today. But back to the point. Hey guys, let's get a life insurance policy. Let's get a life insurance policy on your young son, your young daughter, or even the older individuals who still out there and committing those risky behaviors and doing nonsense, which is not going to bring nothing but grief and turmoil. Get you some life insurance. Yo, Richie, this shit hot.